Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another unboxing for you from URBestDeals. I will pop links to everything down below, but let's have a look what we've got here. So first off, this one is another passport cover. I have had a couple of passport covers before from different places. I absolutely love using these for storage. So I use them for storage of my little pieces of cover paper so that it keeps them safe. I also use them for storage for stickers, round and square stickers, so that I can grab them. So I am always for having more of these ready for storage because, let's be real, we can't use passports at the minute. So not really anyway. So we have a gorgeous design that's sort of mirrored. When of course you fold it in half, it doesn't make any difference which way round it goes. You do have of course a gap where the fold happens, but we have some small diamonds and some bigger ones, which I will go through. We've also got some pretty shaped diamonds in here as well. We get a toolkit of a boat, a wax and some pen and a pen. Quite basic, but these are the colours that you get in these. These are really nice projects to do as well. I do really like doing these. So we have some yellow is number 1. We have orange for number 2, and they're the only two that are the basic size. So we've got them going all the way around these edges, and then we've got the oranges, the swirls. We then have some turquoise blue, which is a slightly bigger circle. Orange has a bigger circle, and then even bigger we have some more turquoise. Try and get the light to catch those right. And then we have these two for the parts round the middle and inside the little fleur-de-lis parts, or flower parts. They're not actually fleur-de-lis, but nice amount of diamonds. Great little evening project, and then I tend to seal it because I've used them, and then storage. Pretty diamond painting storage for diamond painting items. My favourite kind. Okay, number 2. I'm going to open this from this side. It seems to have been taped up at the bottom as though it's tried to escape. Oh, it's been taped up in the middle. Okay, because it's actually one of the longer ones. So maybe we do need to open it this way. Okay, so we have a toolkit, basic toolkit, boat wax pen. Oh yeah. Sometimes when they're all wrapped up, I forget which one it is till I've opened it. So this is another little project, not so much for storage, but just for fun. This is a mirror. So say hello to camera. This is a little compact mirror. I thought this would be quite cute for handbag, or maybe on your little diamond painting table, in case you need to just check you're looking good while you're diamond painting. And this is mainly, is it all blues and whites? Oh no, there is a little bit of gold. So we have some iridescent coated white. Looks like we've got a bit of static going on in that bag. We have some little teardrops in blue, tiny. Teardrops in silver. And then we have blue and gold as well, and it is double-sided, so you do complete both sides. And the numbers, are the numbers on the bags? Oh yeah, they are. I thought they weren't then. So we've got WZ3 and then /1. 1 means that's where the number 1 goes, so it goes in the middle and then it goes round this edge here, and then you've got all the others. I do recommend using tweezers for these, which actually aren't included. for some reason, but I do recommend tweezers on these little ones. Having said that, you may well get the pen to work. I have got the pen to work before on some small ones, so by all means give the pen a go. If I can get the pen to work, I tend to use the pen, but if I can't, then I tend to use a little pair of tweezers, but that's cute. And then this should be a diamond painting, an actual sort of diamond painting rather than off the canvas items. But you know, the off the canvas items are so pretty as well. Oh, this is. So this is a round. This is a 40 by 50, but wow, look at that. That is confetti central in this middle part. There is confetti everywhere, not as much around the outside, though it's not just one colour. There are multiple colours, as you can see. It has 24 colours, and it does have DMC numbers, but that's a punch that packs a punch, isn't it? I thought that would be fun. I do like a bit of confetti every now and then. It is nice that I've got all this confetti, but if I'm a bit bored of confetti, I can do some round the edges to give me a bit more of a rest. That is nice. I like it. Okay, so colours wise, we don't have DMC numbers on the bag, but as I say, we do have them on the canvas. Looks like we've got a little bit of static going in that middle one, but we have of course some more grey tones, which is more likely to be the background because there's quite a few of those. But then we have some nice pops of colour in the middle, more grey again for the background. That is 4 bags of the same. We have some darker colours for shading as well, but then we do have some really nice pops of colour that you can sort of see through the canvas, all mixed in with that. Nice. Okay, I'll fight with those diamonds later. Let's have a look at the canvas. The actual diamond painting area size is 35 by, let me flatten it out, just under 45 for the actual canvas size. But I love the way that that graffiti on the hand is really showing through. Those pops of colour, the shading that they've done on the charting of this is really, really good. And there is actually the odd little diamond of colour up here. But then, of course, a lot of the background is grey. Might do this in my teenage son's room. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see if he likes it. Maybe I should ask him. So we have a fist for today's unboxing. We have a passport cover. If you haven't got one of these can be really, really handy in storing some of your diamond painting bits close. And then if you fancy checking that you're doing diamond painting glamorously, we have a little compact mirror. Also quite nice in your handbag as well. Sort of a little bit of show off of the craft. But thank you so much to URBestDeals for sending me these items to share with you all. Thank you to you guys for watching. I will pop all the links down below to these items, and I will speak to you all again soon.